Alright, this is FlexiTrack, awarded for most impact at the Grand River Hospital and Ideas Clinic's Health Tech Innovation Challenge. The iOS, XCode, and Swift frontend was developed by our team of biomedical engineering students, and our Python, OpenCV, and Mediapipe backend was built by our team of mechatronics engineering students. Alright, this is our app, Flexi app. So we could enter the volunteer's or the patient's name. I'm gonna say his name's John. Alright, so this is the patient John. He's in the activity as tolerated group. And the volunteer could select from certain allowed activities such as chair yoga, stretching exercises, marching in place, heel to toe walk, and some standing leg lifts. So once the volunteer has set up all the patients with the cameras, they can select yes. All right, and so now the activity has started. So if we go to the camera feed, you could do it. We have John who's exercising now, and what we're tracking is the distance traveled by their wrists, since we're limiting to upper body exercises, and we're also tracking their speed. And so the distance and the speed over during the session, we'll translate that into points that they can use. Here's our camera, and here's our demonstration. And so once the session is over, the volunteer could end the activity. And so as we can see, John has scored 6 points, which is added on to his initial 400. And let's see what awards he can claim. So after that, he can claim some cards, some board games, and some magazines.